Hello everyone, I am Yuchen Mo. I am now introducing our course project for Comms 4111 Introduction to Database at Columbia University. Unfortunately, I caught a cold these days, so I am using Google Text-to-Speech API to actually do this job. Our project aims at building a database containing everything about NBA, including players, teams, matches as well as the coaches and sponsors. This topic sounds way too big, and that is why we are just building a prototype. Our target users are surely those basketball lovers, and we tried to offer them these services to find more subtle connections about NBA. Like what I will show you then, the relationship between two players, to see who is tougher through statistics. And now here is our main page. Each time you refresh this page, we will randomly show you 5 players and teams on the top. By clicking on them, you can view the profile page. And if you do not like these players and teams, you can search for whatever you like below. For example, I am now searching for Kobe Bryant. It is a bit slow to see his profile because he has participated in many matches. Now we can see his basic profile, like his birthday. Also, we can see when and which award he has got and which team he has served. The next part is his match statistics, like the game result, field goals and attempts, 3-point field goals and attempts, offensive and defensive rebounds, assists, steals, and blocks, etc. Sorry, I do not have enough time to prettify this part before the project due. Now back to our main page. If you want to explore someone you do not know before, you can try our condition search. Here I am searching for someone between 25 and 30, and have got an MVP before. And we found James Harden. And we can try another age and award, like Rookie of the Year. This time we can find 5 players who have got this award, and surely not of the same year. For teams, things are alike. Here I search for Los Angeles Lakers, and we found its location, coaches and previous members, as we cannot find reliable data source for present members and sponsors. What is more about players, you can search the relationship between two players. Like Kobe and Derrick Rose. Our system will find out the matches that both of them have shown up, and list the statistics. You can also add players and teams into the database by clicking the Add tag. Here I am adding someone named Test, whose birthday is 10 days ahead. Oops, the birthday is illegal. Okay, we enter a more realistic birthday, and now we have a new player named Test. And what if we have another test guy here? You can try it, and then search for this odd name, you will find both of them. Now we gonna remove these two guys from our database, by clicking the delete tag. Input the PIDs. Okay, now they are gone. And that is all about our project. Then I will briefly talk about our implementation details. At the beginning project we designed some APIs. That is to say, what functions should the database provide, like searching for player statistics given player PID and the match ID, or finding all player PIDs with the same name. The back end of the website sends query and parameters to the database adapter and receive the results. This is what I have learned from software engineering course, and it really helped me make this project in time. However, I also learned from this project that these APIs must be extremely carefully selected when database is involved in the project. For some complex queries, I have to handle those half-done data in the back end due to the lack of suitable database APIs, and that is the reason that the website works slow sometimes. That is why for agile software development, the communication among team members are vital to catch up with the rapid updates. The major challenge in our project is the data source. We cannot find reliable and exhaustive data source for this, and these data are often not well formatted. For example, for some data sources there are number 3-point goals data for matches, or the game result is represented by the sign before goal difference in data source A, but a single character in data source B. These makes organizing data somehow difficult than I have ever thought before writing code. Thanks to my previous Python scripts, this part did not took me too much time. The second problem is about the APIs I have just talked about. Last but certainly not least, for some reasons, my time for developing this project is short, or more precisely, 30 hours. So as a contingency plan, what I could do is to cut off those unnecessary details. I cannot find the sponsors, okay, just leave it blank, and it is the same for current members. Signing up and in, and even signing in as administrator, is needed to add or delete items from the database, but that is not what the database course is focused on, so I just pretend that I do not know this stuff. Given more time and data source we will be able to implement these details and make the project better. Anyway, although it is far from perfect, I think it is at least not bad now. So thanks for watching this video.